The closest payphone I could get to was at the Brookville Country Club. It was a real WASP stronghold, just a mile down the road from my house. Hey, Bo, what's up? It's me. What's going on? I'm at a payphone. What's going on?
Listen to me carefully.
Please, your little friend there, Brad, your little buddy, he's in jail.
What the fuck's he in jail for? What'd he do?
I don't know what he
Did my friends in Long Island told me he got picked up in some fucking shopping mall. He got locked up by.
Did you say a shopping mall?
Yeah.
He was with Donnie. He was supposed to deliver some money to that fucking fat piece of
Listen
shit.
to me.
I'm gonna go fucking talk to him right now.
Listen to me, don't go. Listen to me. That guy Denham, that FBI agent guy, somebody told me he's got your phones tapped, your office and your home.
Don't talk on the motherfucking phone.
Okay, fuck, I got it.
Jordan.
You didn't try to bribe this fucking FBI agent, did you?
No, I didn't try to bribe an FBI agent. You think I'm that fucking stupid? No.
What the fuck you saying? I can't understand. Say that again.
I said I'm an FBI agent.
What the fuck are you saying?
I said
Are you fucking high?
I said I'm an FBI.
Jordan, are you fucking high? Jordan, do me a favor. Stay where you are. Don't get behind the wheel of the car. I'm gonna send Rob over to pick you up. Jordan!
After 15 years in storage, the Lemons had developed a delayed fuse. It took 90 minutes for these little fuckers to kick in, but once they did, pow. I mean, I had skipped the tingle phase and went straight to the drool phase.
Tell me where you are. Don't
These little bastards were so strong, I discovered a whole new phase, the cerebral palsy phase. Come on, stand up. Okay, walking's out. All right, think, what else is there? Yes, I can crawl like Skylar.
When I was drunk, I didn't mean to call you that. I can't remember what was said or what you threw at me. Please tell me why. My car's in the front yard and I'm sleeping with my clothes on. Came in through the window. Shit out of me. The smoke alarm is going off and there's a cigarette still burning. Please tell me why. My car's in the front yard and I'm sleeping with my clothes on. Came in through the window last night and
By some miracle, I made it home alive. Not a scratch on me or the car.
Please tell me why. My car's in the front yard and I'm sleeping with my clothes on. Came in through the window last night.
Mr. Belfort. Sir, we need to ask you some questions.
Fuck you.
Come on, get up.
Get the fuck out of my house.
Let's go. Come on,
I've been
get up.
here all night. I've been sitting here all night. What the fuck are you talking about?
Where you taking it? Where you taking it? We ain't got no words.
Did you drive your car tonight, Mr. Belfort?
Wow. Maybe I hadn't made it home okay.